Over the next few moments, I'm gonna talk with you about how hiring the services of a disc jockey can be a great choice for your party, as well as an option that will save you time and worries. If you're throwing a special party like a wedding, birthday, or any other kind of celebration, you probably won't have time to worry about a good music selection that keeps your guests entertained and happy. But don't worry, we can help. We're proud to be the premier local disc jockey service. Our DJs can turn your party into an unforgettable celebration by setting a complete scenario and making a customized selection of the best music for your party. We have excellent sound equipment and a wide music database. So contact us now to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation, and throw the party of your dreams. Web Diversity Media will customize this video to match your needs.